Today we will learn about the special education teachers. Special education teachers typically work in elementary or secondary schools with students having physical or mental disabilities. Special education teachers work with children who have some emotional and physical problems or disabilities or learning related problems. Teachers teach students whatever the course curriculum according to the student's pace and speed, and they also help students to develop the basic life skills which help them in doing all the necessary works, and they may be able to function independently beyond the classroom. The first step towards a career as a special education teacher is to earn or get a bachelor degree in special education. The coursework in the degree courses typically include classes in the subjects such as special children assessment, education psychology, behavior psychology, communication techniques, and disabled students instructional techniques, or the various methods and techniques which we must have to use while dealing with special need learners. The degree programs in special education at the both bachelor and master's level are abundant and offered by both public and private colleges and government universities. Special education degree programs prepare students for a career as a special education teacher or special educator. Traditional teaching programs, special education degree focuses on overcoming the challenges of teaching special need students. Teaching students with developmental disabilities, emotional problems, and compromised cognitive development require a special skill set and a certain type of personality characteristics. Graduates of a bachelor degree program can pursue an advanced degree to explore research opportunities and continue to teach in classroom settings, but have to access to more career opportunities. Special education teachers are trained professionals who understand the unique needs of such special need learners. All students completing a special education degree program complete coursework in instructional strategies, classroom management, social emotional learning, and assessment and evaluation. They also have to learn how to use assistive technology and specialized software program for these children. Special education teachers are authorized to teach in various areas. Teachers must have to be specialized in one or more of these specific groups. Special education teachers can pursue a master degree, doctoral degree in special education with an emphasis on teaching children with autism, hearing problems, speech problems, behavioral disorders, traumatic injuries, emotional disturbances, and blindness. These specialized career paths are in high demand. So, special education teachers who wish to become researcher in the field of special education can explore a doctoral degree or PhD program in a specialization area. But along with it, it is also essential that to be a special education teacher, it is very necessary for teachers to be patient and deep compassionate towards these learners. Thank you.